logical reasoning. Let's start by understanding what is logical reasoning and why do we need to build this aptitude. Logical reasoning is nothing but connecting the dots between unconnected and disconnected data. You would have come across a lot of problems such as blood relations problems, series problems, distributions and arrangements, Venn diagrams. All of these give you a lot of clues, and you have to use those clues and put them together to solve whatever problem you've been given after that. Why do you need to build this aptitude? There are two particular reasons. A, it helps you solve problems better in your daily life. It helps you understand concepts better and connect the dots between different concepts. At the same time, logical reasoning is a part of almost all entrance exams. Whichever entrance exam you pick up, you will be expected to solve some portion of logical reasoning problems. Now, how do you go about building this? So how I went about building logical reasoning was by reading mystery novels. Whenever I would read Sherlock Holmes, he would put all the clues together to solve the mystery. That was nothing but logical reasoning. So if you're somebody who likes to read as many short stories or mystery novels as you can. That helps you build logical reasoning. You can also solve different kinds of puzzles. Solve Sudoku, solve crossword, solve any puzzle you get. That'll help you build your logical reasoning skills. At the same time, what you can do is you can also start playing chess. That will help. You can also download apps like Lumosity or Elevate. They give you ready-made puzzles to solve. Practice that every day and your skills will improve in no time. If you're somebody who's preparing for an entrance exam, you need to go one step further. You need to solve previous year questions. You need to solve sample paper questions. Now, when I used to solve questions, what I would do is I would do it in a very methodical manner. So particularly, what I would do is read the questions first, then go to the clues given. Even with respect to the clues, I would write all the information that I had on a piece of paper and tick off whatever information I used from the question. Finally, when I had put all the information on the piece of paper, I would go back to the question and try to solve it. Towards the beginning, you can take as much time as you want. Go slow towards the beginning. Once you develop the accuracy, once you're able to solve different kinds of problems, after that you can start building speed. After that you can time yourself. That will help you pick up speed. Once you start solving problems every day in a timed manner, you will develop this skill in no time to solve whichever entrance exam questions as you want. Increase the difficulty over a period of time, of course, that goes without saying. So these were some ways in which you can build logical reasoning in your life and for different entrance exams.